Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem, and today we're heading towards Dominican Republic. That's where we're going. We're going to the Dominican Republic, to a town called Puerto Plata, to a all-inclusive resort called Emotions. This was a excursion that I booked off the ship here. I think it cost me about $120. They give you a little bracelet that you have to wear, and that pretty much gives you the run of the resort. All drinks and food are included. I did several videos here. I didn't expect it to be as nice as it was. It's very nice. I did a beach video. I did a tour of the entire complex. I also stopped off at the buffet, and that's what this video is all about. The buffet at the Emotions Resort in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Let's check it out, shall we? So the tour bus picked us up right at the cruise terminal, so it was a short walk to the bus. Keep in mind, this is an all-day excursion, this all-inclusive property, the Emotions. So you can spend time on the beach, you can spend time, in the restaurants and lounges, and it's all-inclusive, and anything you want to see or do is available to you as a guest for the day. But it is an all-day excursion, so don't plan anything else if you're only here for a day. The bus ride itself was about 20 minutes long. Like I said, this is a $120 excursion, but because of the tickets that I bought, I get $50 off on all the excursions. So this cost me $70, and as you'll see, it's worth it. This is only video one of 3 videos coming from there, but definitely worth $70. Of course, lots of fresh fruit. After all, this is the Caribbean, right? So we're going to walk the entire buffet, but in an effort to save some time and not look a little crazy, I'm not going to open up all of these, but these are mostly vegetables here, like carrots, cauliflower, broccoli. There's other sides here as well, like beans and rice and just plain old yellow rice, as well as some pasta. Some of these you'll see on my plate when I sit down. Here we have some cold salads, some meats and cheeses, pork chops on the left, groper fillets on the right. It just wouldn't be a buffet without some horrible pizza, and that even includes the Dominican Republic, I suppose. Some chicken and more vegetables. I don't think I've seen this in the States, and it's a great idea. Different kinds of pastas with sides of different kinds of sauces. Some soups and some croutons and Italian breadsticks. And speaking of bread, more types of rolls than I've ever seen, even in a bakery. And there's a toaster here in case you want to warm them up. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my latest Las Vegas video, a tour of the Mandalay Bay hotel room. Congratulations, Wise Malik. All those rolls really intrigued me, so I picked out 3 of the best looking ones there, and I picked out some dried salamis and some cheeses. Gonna make some Italian sliders. I also have an antipasto type salad here, as well as a noodle salad, which I thought was Italian dressing based, but it's mayonnaise based, so I'm gonna leave that on my plate. Hey, look at me, everybody. I made some Italian sliders. I'm a genius. Yeah, how'd you know I was from the New York area? Next up, I got what looked like some chicken stir fry, some brown rice. I got some bow tie pasta with some Alfredo sauce and some sauteed carrots. I have to tell you guys, I came to this buffet simply because it was, well, included in the excursion price, and I set the bar really low. I wasn't expecting much from it, but I was pleasantly surprised. It's really not bad. I certainly wouldn't compare it to Vegas or Atlantic City, but it's really not bad. And I didn't want to eat heavy because, well, again, I'm on the beach and it's hot and humid out, so I have to be careful what I eat and drink. But it's all inclusive, and the drinks are, and so is the food. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. I picked up a variety of desserts and some fresh pineapple as well. This looks like carrot cake. What looks like a cheesecake slice is more the consistency of some kind of custard. Not sure what this is, but it definitely has rum in it. As a matter of fact, pretty much everything around here has rum in it. And some good old chocolate cake. Guys, stay tuned because lots more coming from Emotions, this beautiful all-inclusive resort in the Dominican Republic in the town of Puerto, Plata. I'm going to show you the pools and the restaurants and everything around here, and then another video on the beach area, which is just simply stunning. So stay tuned for this all-inclusive stuff, and of course lots more from the Norwegian gem coming up on the New York channel, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.